Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change name in Delta Force. To change your player's name in Delta Force, launch open Delta Force application on your device and from the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will open up your character's profile. At the bottom right inside profile, you will see a name. Tap the pencil button right next to the current name and then enter a new name in the text box. If you are changing your name for the first time, you can easily do so for free. Click on OK once done and then click OK once again. If you've previously changed your name for the first time on your account, you'll need a rename card to change your name. So with this, you have learned how to change your name on Delta Force. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.